Now we need to remove the motherboard, and you need to remove a screw from there. Obviously I've already done this. Another one in the centre there. There's also another screw there. There's one under the do not remove sticker. Again with the same size Phillips screwdriver. And you've got 3 on the other side of the motherboard, one there, one again in the centre there, one near the number 6 sticker in the corner there. There's a final one holding in the camera, the lens of the camera, and there's a silver arm. Be careful this doesn't ping off when you remove this screw. You need to remove that so you can get the camera out. Okay, here's the silver arm that holds that camera lens down. Again, be careful it doesn't ping out when you unscrew it. You need to put that to one side with the rest of your screws, keep them nice and safe. This camera lens just lifts out. It's just a plastic surround that holds the lens and goes in a circular hole. I noticed it pops back in when you come to replace it. It should just make a pop noise. Make sure you've got that flush, otherwise you won't get that glass on. Okay, we need to remove the motherboard, so you need to remove it from this end. Just prise it up gently. Take your time with this. And you need to wiggle it left to right, whatever feels right to free it from that base. But make sure you don't snag any of the ribbons. Be aware of where they are, what you're doing. Just lift that up gently. Try not to finger it. Try just to hold the sides. Once you've got that off, you'll see the batteries stuck to the base of the phone underneath, and the base is just plastic. I thought it was some sort of ceramic coat, but it's just a plastic phone with a bit of glass on top at the end of the day, but it's secure enough. And that's the motherboard with its metal. I don't know whether that's to protect it or what. Just put that to one side and you can see the battery there, which is secured to the base. Okay, so it's time to remove the battery. It's stuck fairly firmly to that plastic base, so you need to be careful. There's a plastic clip. I assume you're supposed to be able to just grab hold of that and lift the battery off. Had a go at that, but it bent the plastic back base quite a lot, so you're better off prising it from the sides, I reckon. I've loosened this already. And you have to put a fair bit of force behind it to get one side up, and I found the easiest way was just to get one side up and get your finger behind it, keep it in the centre so you don't twist the plastic base from side to side, because there's still a few things attached to it that you don't want to snag or bend. So you just get your finger behind the back there and lift it off. And as you can see behind there's the residue from the adhesive. I actually forgot to take this off and just left it there. Yeah, be careful with the battery, it's fairly thin and you can bend it. I don't know how much that would damage it. Just be a bit careful. It's the new battery, got that off eBay. Again, I think it's £9.90 for the battery, and including the Phillips screwdriver and the plastic tool you get with it. It was £7 something if you didn't want the screwdriver and the tool. Again, it goes back in place fairly easily because there's a hole in that connector, and you just slot that over the hole that's been made for the battery. Again, I thought that was just residue, and I should have really got rid of that and the clip. No doubt you will. I just stuck it over the top, but it shouldn't really have any effect. And just pull your tape off to reveal the adhesive. Again, where the connector is, there's a little turret in the plastic, so you can just line that up, stick the battery down, make sure you don't catch any of the clips or anything, or stick the battery over anything important. Just pull the clips out of the way with a tool if you need to, like I am. And make sure it's all stuck down nicely. You don't want that coming free inside your phone. Give a little push, and these plastic rips are doubled up now because I didn't remove the old one. You will remember, of course, to remove that. And we're in place, and then basically you've got to put it back together how you took it apart. And I found that fairly easy. The hardest bit is that number 3 clip again. You really just, it only goes in a little way, but you just need to tuck that back in the black plastic and flick that white switch down. It's fairly easy. Okay, so hopefully everything's went together the way it came apart. You were careful of that clip number 3. I found out to make sure I had the camera lens in properly before I could get the glass flush. I had to wait for a little pop to get it in place. Check all your glasses flush, and then you can power on, and hopefully you'll see the Apple sign. Okay, appears to be booting. I'm going to skip time here. Okay, so we've booted up and we've saved ourselves £60, which is the ridiculous fee Apple charges at the moment to have their battery replaced. Unlock your SIM and check all the wonderful apps are there. That's the new search page with the latest OS, and flick through millions of apps you no doubt have downloaded. Okay, it wasn't too difficult, was it? I hope everything goes okay for you. Thanks, goodbye.